Bulletproof warm-up session number 7. And to start off with, we're going to work on our side plank progression. So this round, you'll do 30 seconds each arm of a side plank. So we're on our hands here. So you try and keep your torso as straight as possible. Look straight ahead. 30 seconds each arm. Then we're going to do some Z press variations. So the first of which is going to be seated on a bench. So you have the kettlebells in front rack position. Set yourself down on the bench, and then you're going to press out overhead. And you're going to do this for max reps. So pick a moderate weight that you could confidently get at least 5 or 6, and then try and go for as many as you can. You're then going to take one of those kettlebells, the same weight, and then you're going to have it locked out overhead. Excuse my lack of shoulder mobility in this video. And you're going to step up and over laterally. So I'm going to do a lateral step up, stand up tall, and then control the step down on the other side. You'll then change arms, lock that other arm out overhead. Once again, do a lateral step up, stand up tall, and then come down the other side. And you're going to do 4 reps each arm with this, focusing on keeping your abs on tight, not letting your rib cage flare out too much. So that's 4 reps each side of that. All right. All right, today's animal is the side crab. Not just any old crab, the side crab. So same crab position, we're going to be facing up, and you're going to go 10 meters in one direction and then 10 meters back the other direction. And you'll go opposite hand to leg. That's how you'll move side to side. All right, that's round 1. For round 2, on the side plank progression, you're going to do the same side plank, except this time you're going to raise your top leg up as high as you can. And be warned, your glute medius on the side of your butt will probably cramp after about 2 seconds. So just fight through it. Try and get that leg as high as you can, even if it's only an inch from your other ankle. Just get it as high as you can, and you'll do 30 seconds each arm of that, so each side there. This time for our Z press, you're going to take the kettlebells and again have them in the front rack position, but you're going to be seated on the ground this time, and you're going to press out overhead. This just makes the movement a little bit more challenging. Same thing as before. Keep the same weight and go for max reps. All right, so you're trying to get as many reps as you can, locking out overhead of that weight. All right, so you'll take one of those kettlebells, lock it out overhead, and do 4 reps of a single arm kettlebell overhead lateral step over. What a mouthful. So you do 4 each arm. Basically, you'll do 4 on one side and then 4 on the other side. You won't alternate. And that weight on the kettlebell that you should choose is all dependent on the Z press. So this time we're going to do the side crab, but facing down. So you'll bring your hand and cross it over as you walk. So it's opposite hand to leg, and your hand crisscrosses over, as you can see there. Right, 10 meters in each direction. The last step of our side plank progression will be same as last time, a side plank with a leg raise, except instead of just holding, you're going to bring that leg up and you're going to do extension. So I'm going to drop my hip down as low as I can, bring back up, hip down, bring back up, trying to keep my torso as straight and in line as possible without rotating or pivoting at the hip as I come in. Right. I'm actually surprised at how not hard that looked, because it was very hard, which is good. Alright, the last Z press variation you're going to do is a SOTS press. So you'll have the kettlebells in front rack position, squat down to the bottom of your squat, and nice shoulder mobility, Tom. Someone needs to work on their shoulders. And you'll do as many reps as you can. So remember, pick a weight that you can do at least 5 or 6. If on the first round you get 20 reps, you've gone too light and you need to go heavier. Right? So once again, finish with that single arm kettlebell overhead lateral step over. Say that 70 times fast. 4 reps each side. And then we'll finish with the side crab facing down again. So you'll do 10 meters in each direction. And that is it.